Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve stickers not found in on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve stickers not downloaded or not found on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. As you see, you can click on first stop. Then you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.